According to Harvard Health Publishing, music can activate almost all brain regions and networks. It can help to keep a myriad of brain pathways and networks stronger, including those involved in well-being, learning, cognitive function, quality of life, and happiness. They also state that music activates the auditory, emotional, and motor cortexes, synchronizing them all. I will be teaching how to play the saxophone since playing music on it activates and strengthens these parts of me. So to start, before you play the sax, you have to learn how to put together a sax. Here's the body. First you take it out, and then you get the neck and put the neck on top of the body, and make sure that the octave ring is touching the octave key. So right here there's a little peg, and it should be about center with the ring so that when you press it the octave key can play. Next you tighten it so that it doesn't swivel around, and again even after you tighten it, make sure it's about center. Then you get the mouthpiece, put the mouthpiece on the cork and leave about that much space, roughly about a fifth of space. And then you get a reed, but this is what makes sound. You take it out of the reed case, and you want to get it a little bit wet so that your sound is not dry. Put it in your mouth for a few seconds, and then put it on the mouthpiece. You want to slip it in between the reed band and the mouthpiece. So make sure it's loose enough. If you have to loosen it a little bit, that's fine. And then you want to make sure that the reed is just at the tippy top of the mouthpiece, not further, not lower, like right at the top, and then you tighten it. Tighten the screws on it. They usually are on the bottom, but some of them, the screws will be on the top. Like the leather ones, those are usually on the top. Now you have the whole saxophone put together. You just need the neck strap so that you can hold it comfortably. Put it on the ring right there, and then put it around your neck. If you have to, make sure your hair's out of the way for your own comfort. And finally, raise it or lower it to your comfort, and just make sure that that the mouthpiece comfortably goes in your mouth. Okay. Now next, you have to play your first air, and most beginners start on a C sharp, which is the unanimously agreed to be the ugliest note, but a C sharp is no fingers down, just blow. You want to make sure that your teeth are planted on top of the mouthpiece. See, mine's bent because I've been playing for years and years. Like they've got divots in them for my teeth. And you want to roll your bottom lip just so that it's covering your teeth. Like that. Now, you want to play where beginners usually start on the G scale. That is G, A, B, C, D, which is all fingers. And then that's it. So, slowly, no fingers down here, by the way, not yet. G is the first three fingers, not this one. This one is not really like a button, like you never use that. And then ignore this one. This one is called the bis key. It's to play a B flat. So it's this key, and this key. The three main big ones. That's a G. A, lift the bottom key. B, lift that. C is just the middle. And then D, top three. octave key and bottom 3. So now we have and finally, now that you know your G scale, you can learn a beginner song called, you've probably heard it before, Mary Had a Little Lamb. It looks like this, but teaching how to read music is for another video. All you need to play is B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, D, D, B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, A, G. It's very easy. The best part about that song is that it uses all of the notes you just learned. So now you know how to play the saxophone.